So I think there is an interesting question about how we interact with technology. I mean, we have had a sense of ourselves as a person, which can be plastic and modulated a little bit by our dealing with tools. I mean, when you're holding something as common as a walking stick and you're feeling the ground in front of you, Aristotle noticed this, that when you ask, where do I feel the sensations of the soft or hard ground, it seems to be at the end of the walking stick. So our sense of our own body extends a little bit when we're interacting with tools. When you're driving a car, very often you'll see people thinking, oh, someone's getting very near me, as if they're embodying the whole size of the vehicle. So our body image and our body schema can shift and change. So we can extend our sense of ourselves and our personal and peripersonal space by using tools. The interesting extension for me is the use of digital technology. We obviously offload an awful lot of our memory onto our phones and onto our computers, and people worry about whether that's going to, in some sense, limit us. Are we going to suddenly become creatures who are less able to cope and more readily dependent on devices? Well, I think those fears must have been around when writing was developed. So I'm less pessimistic than some commentators about how this is going to change the mind for ill. I think it's probably going to be a good thing. At the same time, I don't believe that our minds are in our iPhones, as some people who are fans of the extended mind thesis believe. I think that's not right. You still need to have a working language to be able to understand what your iPhone is presenting you with. But there's an interesting sense in which there's a disembodied person that is now possible by our digital selves online.